A problem is simply a gap, an open space between point A and point B, and almost always it's an open space that you can bridge. For example, a problem a student might be given in maths is the gap between the scenario presented and the solution or answer. Or a more general study problem your teen might face in English, let's say, might be, how do I write an essay on that? And the gap is the structure and content that makes up that essay. Either way, they need to build a bridge to cross the gap and arrive at a solution or a successful end result. So the focus on achieving better results with less stress is really about that bridge. Did the construction workers go about building the Sydney Harbour Bridge without a proven framework, clear strategy, and a set of step-by-step instructions and stages? Of course not. And even if they did and managed to produce a functioning bridge by making it up and figure it out as they went, then even though it might be a very successful outcome, it wouldn't very likely have been completed in the most efficient or smoothest or stress-free way. So why would your teen do the same? It's no wonder that we struggle to get ourselves from start to finish with a task or for an assignment if we don't have a clear strategy, a step-by-step breakdown, or a clear vision of where we're going and, importantly, how we're going to get there. And as I tell everyone, it's not just a case of students working harder. If a team of engineers and builders just kept laying more and more bricks or working longer hours every day, putting more and more bolts between the steel parts, does that guarantee a better bridge? No. A clear template, set of steps, an order of tasks, even an example of a proven successful bridge built somewhere else in the same way, that's what's going to get the job done a lot faster, easier, produce a more successful outcome. That's why I'm all about providing students with these tools, strategies, techniques, giving them the simple yet super effective tools, checklists, and tricks and tips to making their writing sound amazing in my Write Like an A-Grader training, giving them a complete system for study success in my 10-week grade transformation program, all the way from note-taking to what to do in the final minutes of an exam, from motivation and organization to templates for an analytical essay, even at that highest cognitive level of evaluation. And doing things like dissecting model responses and mark schemes in my annual live exam mastery workshop. And I'll put the links to each of those with this video so you can go check them out. But I really want to get across one thing, that a problem or a situation that just isn't going in the right direction is simply showing that there is a gap. And there will be a solution, a strategy or a template or a skill that's going to bridge that gap, no matter how big or how small. I'm Katie Price, Grade Transformation Expert, and if you'd like to talk to me about any of the gaps or problems that are stopping your teen from being happy, smart, and successful, then I'm making some time available in my diary these next couple of weeks to chat so that parents can see what students are struggling with. I can see at the moment what's coming up for your teen, tailor upcoming content to be as helpful as possible. And in return, I'll give you my personal feedback and tips on how your teen can bridge those gaps. So just drop me an email referencing this blog video and I'll send you a link to book in a time for a free and casual chat. Okay, hopefully chat with you soon. Now let's go make this week a fantastic week.